Welcome to the BPA platform training videos from Codeless platforms. Here are the objectives, required tools, and approximate running time for this video. On completion of this exercise, we will see how to extract data from a database, send an SMS notification, and trigger the task when the credit limit has changed. This will be broken down into several short videos that cover the objectives listed in the accompanying documentation. This video will cover parts 1 to 3. To begin, we will create a connection to the training database that can be used by any task. This is referred to as a global connection. Let's launch BPA platform. And from the Task Manager, go to System, Tools, Data Connectors, and double-click Database Query ODBC. In the dialog box, click Add, expand ODBC drivers, and select SQL Server. Then click OK. Choose the relevant machine name and associated database instance from the server dropdown, and then deselect Use Trusted Connection. We now need to supply our credentials. Click Options, choose BPA Platform Training DB from the Database dropdown, leave all other settings with their default values, and click OK. Type a meaningful name for this ODBC data source, then click OK. The new connection appears in the ODBC Connections window. Select it and use Test to ensure a working connection. Then click OK. Finally, click Close. The Send Message tool makes use of the ToucanText Message Gateway to handle the queuing of text messages. Communication to the Message Gateway is via the Message Gateway agent. Before we begin, we will need to either sign up for a ToucanText account for some free test credits, or use the credentials supplied by your training provider. Once you have your account credentials, we can create the connection to the agent. From the Task Manager, go to Tools, Output, and double-click Send Text Message. The provider should already say ToucanText Message Gateway. As we've installed the agent on the same training machine, enable Local Computer. Now enter your ToucanText username and enter your ToucanText password. Click Test to ensure the credentials are correct. And finally, click OK and click OK again. We want the task to fire when an account's credit limit is adjusted, so we need to be able to capture and store their account reference. We will do this with a task variable. Task variables are created in the task itself and are not available for use by other tasks. From the Task Manager, right-click on Tasks. Select New Task, name the task, Alert New Credit Limits. Add a description, send text alerts when customers are given a new credit limit. Now go to the Design tab, and from the Task Browser, go to the Environment tab. Ensure Scope is set to Task, right-click on Variables, and select New. Now name the variable Account Ref, and go to the Details tab. Check that the type is variant. This ensures the variable can store any type of text, and enable a parameter, ensuring the variable can store task data. From the parameter attributes, make sure in/out is active. This allows the variable to both receive inputs and produce outputs. In the Scope dropdown, select Task Instance. This ensures the variable is reset every time the task completes. We don't want the task to fire for the same account unless the credit limit is adjusted again. And then click OK to save the new variable. We now need to create another variable to store the existing credit limit. Name the variable Old Credit Limit. Go to the Details tab. Ensure type is variant, parameter is enabled, and parameter attributes are set to in/out. And from the Scope dropdown, ensure this is set to Task Instance. And finally, click OK to save the variable. Let's click OK to save the task so far. And that's it for this video. We have created connections to the database and ToucanText Message Gateway, and also created variables for the account ref and the previous credit limit. In the next video, we will add the Microsoft SQL Server Trigger step and extract the credit limit data. Thanks for watching.